Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited to share the opportunity with you on how you can make money online with your Instagram account. If you're an influencer or if you're a brand account, I'm going to show you how you can start finding Instagrammers and influencers on Instagram where you can buy basically promotions and shoutouts on this platform. So the platform I'm going to be using is quite new. It was released last week. It's called influencer.yrcharisma.com. So this platform basically combines brands and influencers where influencers are willing to pay money for shout outs and promotions of their Instagram account. Let's go through the website that you can get a little bit of a better idea on how it works. So you can see that the website offers a various amount of categories, influencer categories ranging from fashion, fitness, lifestyle, etc. So let's choose a influencer. I'm going to go for photography as I really like photography. So you can see if I go to the all category, I can now see a whole bunch of gigs that have been posted by influencers and different forms of shout outs and promotions that they are offering. So I'm going to choose this first one, for example, and basically within this gig you can view what this person is offering, specifically the shout out or their form of promotion. So you can see this person is saying, are you interested in a post shout out to grow even more? I would post a picture either from my source or show a picture of you, where you would simply supply a link or a tag to your account in their posts. So here you can see on their bio, this account that they're going to shout you out on has over 57,000 followers and gets an average of 1,200 likes per photo. So you can see this will only cost you $7. So to get a shout out on a Instagram account that has over 57,000 followers with an average of 1,200 likes per post. So this is excellent if you're an influencer and really want to grow your followers and your likes and to just boost your Instagram account. And as well as if you're a brand or a product, it's a great way to funnel traffic to your website or your online business through this platform by collaborating and getting shout outs from other influencers, other popular influencers with thousands and thousands of followers. I'm going to go to my dashboard where I made this test account, where you can see my dashboard and your money that you've made per month, your statistics, and you can also open your own gig as an influencer where people will basically buy services or shout outs from you on Instagram. So let's say, for example, I promote products on my photography page. You can see, let's say I charge $20 for this post or this gig. Let's say I have the post up for one day and my category will be photography. In the description you can add some content, more specifically what you want to offer. So let's say I am offering a shout out opportunity. I am keen to collaborate. So basically now when people see this gig of yours, they can choose to collaborate and get a shout out from you where they will actually pay you $20, as you saw I put in the test amount there. So you can also add your video link to if you've got a YouTube channel or other social media platforms, you can add extra services and you can add tags as well. And you can also have an opening message such as, I am keen to work with you. Then you can save it, then the gig is posted on the platform, and now brands can look for you, and if they like your gig they can actually purchase it directly from you and you will get a message, and basically that's how you'll start making money through this platform. So let's say you're a brand and you're looking for influencers. You're going to go to the buy section, find influencers, and then you'll get a whole list of influencers that also, and filters as well, where you can find specific influencers that are around and involved in your niche. So you can choose a filter if the follower network has less than 1,000 followers, 1 to 5,000, 5 to 10,000. So let's say for example I'm going to choose influencers that have 10 to 50,000 followers. So now I can go and view this influencer. For example, I can contact this person and I can say, hey, I really like your content. I am keen to collaborate. So and then you'd send it to this person, and then you'd be able to collaborate with this person that has 10 to 50,000 followers. So this really is an excellent platform for influencers to boost their Instagram account and to make money on Instagram or with their Instagram account, and also for brand and product or business pages that want to funnel traffic towards their websites and business pages. So I really hope this video has helped you, and I'll see you in the next video.